In today's digital landscape, a single cyber incident can severely damage an organization's trust and reputation. Just look at the CrowdStrike fiasco from last week that led to a global IT outage, right? In fact, studies show that 89% of customers start looking for alternatives after a single poor experience, which I guarantee is what will be happening with CrowdStrike as well, as customers turn to SentinelOne and others. And we're not paid for this plug, right? So how can your board and executives effectively rebuild trust and reputation post-incident, right? Post-crisis? Welcome to CyberBoardCast episode 283. I'm Andrzej Cetnarski for CyberNation Central, and today we'll explore advanced strategies for rebuilding trust and reputation after a cyber crisis, ensuring your organization emerges stronger and more resilient. For previous coverage on this topic, reference episodes 264 and 268 through 282. First, let's talk about restoring stakeholder trust to begin with. Transparency is key here. Your board and executives must communicate openly and honestly about the incident, what went wrong, and what steps are being taken to prevent future occurrences, because any sort of shady approach to this or lack of authenticity really is felt by the market. And we could go for hours on just this topic. So just make sure regular updates, even if there is no new information, can reassure stakeholders that you are actively managing the situation. Consider setting up a dedicated crisis communication team, in fact, to handle these updates effectively and efficiently. Next, effective reputation management techniques are essential. Beyond, however, immediate crisis response, make sure to invest in long-term reputation recovery efforts. This includes leveraging public relations experts to craft and disseminate your message. Highlight your commitment to cybersecurity by showcasing, for example, new measures and improvements that you've implemented since the incident. Engaging in corporate social responsibility, CSR initiatives, can also help rebuild your image and regain public trust, so make sure to do that as well. Developing a long-term communication plan is crucial. This plan should not only address the aftermath of the current incident, but also prepare for future crises. And they will come, right? Everybody has a 37.5% chance on average of being breached in the next 2 years. So they will come. So make sure to implement regular training sessions for your board and executives, especially on crisis communication best practices. Right? Use lessons learned there from the recent incident that happened to refine your strategies and ensure continuous improvement. And incorporate feedback from stakeholders to make your communication more effective and responsive to their concerns. By integrating these advanced strategies, your board and executives can effectively rebuild trust and reputation post-crisis, ensuring your organization is well positioned to navigate any future challenges. In our next episode, we'll explore how your board and executives can navigate legal and regulatory reporting after a cyber incident. But to keep everyone confident that your board and C-suite are ready to lead with top-notch security, consider applying for the Certified Cyber Fiduciary (CCF) certification by CyberNation Central. Schedule your consultation at cybernationcentral.com now. Don't wait. Until next time, stay vigilant and proactive.